Good morning, children. Welcome to VVPS e-learning class. Children, we are doing exercise 5B and your homework was question number 7 and question number 8. So let's first discuss question number 7 and question number 8. You check your question, you check your solution that you have done it correct or not. So question number 7 is 408 divided by 13. Now 13 3s are 39 is there, so 40 minus 39 will be 1. Clear? Now we will take 8 from here, it will become 18. Again 13 1s are 13, 8 minus 3 will be 5 and 1 minus 1 will be 0. So in this question 31 is the quotient, 5 is the remainder and 13 is the divisor. Now let us verify the answer. Q multiplied by D plus R is equal to dividend. We will do the same division fact we are doing in doing yesterday or in before exercise. So 31 multiplied by 13 plus 5, this is the remainder. 31 on multiplying 13, it will come 403. You can multiply it at the side, rough column. Now 403 plus 5 is equal to 408. This 408 is equal to the dividend given in the question. Now question number 8. 374 divided by 18. We will write 374 and we will read the table of 18 2 times. 18 2s are 36. 7 minus 6 will be 1, 3 minus 3 will be 0. Now 4 we will copy it. Now you can see, children, this 14 is smaller than 18, so it can't be divided by 18. So what we will do, we will write 14 as remainder and at the place of dividing 14 we will write 0 here. Clear? Now let us verify the answer. We will write quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. 20 multiply by 18 plus 14. On multiplying 20 by 18 it will come 316, and when we will add 14 to 360 it will come 374. Clear? On multiplying 20 by 18 it will come 360 and we will add 14 in 360, it will come 374, and you can see 374 is same as the dividend given in the question number 8. Now question number 9. 563 divided by 27. Now we will divide 563 by 27. 27 2s are 54. Now 6 minus 4 will be 2, 5 minus 5 will be 0. We will copy 3 here, it will become 23. Now you can see in this question also 23 is smaller than 27, so it can't be divided by 27. So we will put 0 here in the quotient in place of dividing 23. Now let us verify the answer. Q multiplied by D plus R is equal to dividend. 20 multiplied by 27 plus 23. On multiplying 20 by 27 it will come 540, and we will add 23 to 540, it will come 563. So you can see 563 is same as the dividend given in the question. Now question number 10. 1034 divided by 54. Now we will divide 1034 by 54. 54 1s are 54. 103 minus 54. Now it will come on subtracting 3 by 4. It can't be done, so 3 will borrow 1 from here, it is 0. 0 will borrow 1, it will become 10, and it will give 1 to 3. 3 will become 13 and 10 will remain 19. So 13 minus 4 is 9 and 9 minus 5 is 4, and we will copy 4. It is the last digit of the dividend, so we will copy 4 from here, it will become 494. Now 54 9s are 486. Now we will minus 6 from 4, so it can't be subtracted, so 4 will borrow 1 from 9. 14 minus 6 is 8. It will remain 8. 8 minus 8 0. 4 minus 4 0. Let us verify the answer now. Quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. 19 multiply by 54 plus 8, on multiplying 19 by 54 it will come 1026, and on adding 8 in 1026 is equal to 1034 will be the answer, and it is same as the given dividend in the question number 10. Question number 11, 2015 divided by 26. Now we will see here 2015 on dividing 26. 26 sevens are 182. Clear? Now 2 on subtracting 2 by 1, it can't be done, so 1 will borrow 1 from 0. So first 0 will borrow 1 from 2, it will become 10, and it will give 1 to 1, and 1 will become 11. 11 minus 2 is 9, and 9 minus 8 is 1. We will copy 5 from here, it will become 195. Now again 26 sevens are 182. 5 minus 2 3, 9 minus 8 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So 77 is the quotient, 26 is the divisor, and 13 is the remainder. Let us verify the answer. Q multiply by D plus R is equal to dividend. 77 multiply by 26 plus 13. Now on multiplying 76 by 26 it will come 2002, and 2002 plus 13 is 2015. Now it is also same as the dividend given in the question. So this means that our division is correct. Question number 12, 3580 divide by 32. 32 ones are 32. 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 minus 3 will be 0. We will copy 8 from here, it will become 38. Again 32 ones are 32. 8 minus 2 6. 3 minus 3 is again 0. Now we will copy the last digit is 0. 0 we will copy here, and it will become 60. Now again we will do 32 ones are 32. Now 0 will borrow 1 from 6. 10, it will become 10. 10 minus 2 is 8, and 6 will remain 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now 28 is the remainder, 111 is the quotient, and 32 is the divisor. Let us verify the answer. Q multiply by D plus R is equal to dividend. 111 multiply by 32 plus 28. Now on multiplying 111 by 32, it will come 3552. When we will add 28 to 3552, it will come 3580. And children, you can see this 3580 is same as the dividend given in the question. So this means our division is correct. Children, your homework is, today's homework is, you have to do question number 13 and 14 of exercise 5B in your copy. Once again, I am repeating the homework. You have to do question number 13 and 14 in your classwork copy of exercise 5B. Thank you and have a nice day.